we were in Dublin. We were in Dublin, the
Not on the side.
and they had one of these.
Yeah.
And they were showing Dublin when we were in Dublin. Yeah. Get your bum out.
Our false faith and prejudice we will fight hope without fear. Two flames in balance that begin to ignite. The people we always bring in light. But it only set right the sovereignty of all, a sacred sight. Strings hum, our ancestors play, their notes turn to melodies that guide our way. Songs sang in elevated height, for all to hear. Shine your light.
What we striving for in this life, we all living right. See the globe home when the stars align tight. Aiming high up, breaking chains, freedom in our sights. With a heart wide open, we can create new heights. In the rhythm of people, we are feeling so light. I'm spitting true unities, the message let's ignite. Tearing down the walls that keep us all apart, raising up our voices. We are bold, we are art. This world's our canvas, paint bright like the dawn. Together we can rise, we are never withdrawn. Lift your hands up, feel the energy flow. We are one heart, let our love overflow. Underneath the sky, shining bright, let it show. In this unity, we find our glow. Walking through the storm, but the sun's on the way. Every step we take is a promise to stay. With each other, we are stronger, never let us stray. Breaking through the shadows, bringing light to fray. Voices join together, let the music play. Every word we say is a seed for a new day. Underneath the sky, shining bright, let it show. Each heartbeat echoes, we are never alone. Show the rhythm on the pulse, feel the love intertwined. In the light we rise, yes, our time to shine. Put your hands up, feel the energy flow. We are one heart, let our love overflow. Underneath the sky, shining bright, let it show. In this unity, we find our glow.